just came in the mail. Go ahead and open it up.
Back in the garage once again. Got this in the mail the other day. Finally able to install it. Megan Racing. Every time they make these, they always go out of stock so quick, so I'm so glad I got my hands on one of them. So they come with gaskets, or a gasket. This one's for the header to the Y pipe. I do have a aftermarket exhaust as well. I have the Apex C catback exhaust. So hopefully it sounds good. I like the deep sound of the Apexi, but it's not loud enough. So hopefully this will give me what I want. I don't know if I want headers yet. I haven't really found someone that makes them exactly for this car, so we'll see what happens.
Again.
Alright, tools you need. You're gonna need an adjustable wrench to get to the O2 sensor, an impact if you got it, a couple 14s wrenches, and a couple 14 sockets. We'll see what works the best. Safety glasses, safety first. Alright, let's get to the O2 sensor first. I don't have anything to replace these with, so I'm just gonna clean them. Hopefully they go back in nice. And it is out. I don't know how it didn't have any leaks, but this thing is nasty. So this is the gasket that Megan Racing provides. It lines up really good with theirs. But on the stock, it uses donut gasket. I think is what they're called, donut gaskets. I think it might work, but these lines are they're too thin. I have a feeling it might leak. I cleaned it up as best as I could. I'm pretty sure it's gonna leak, but I'm just gonna put it on. Once it starts leaking, I guess I'll fix it before spring or hopefully before summer. For right now, I just want to get this on, so let's put it on. Alright, install is finished. Fucking pretty as hell. Now time to start it up and see how it sounds.